Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat Pdeng pek Ïaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hak jengkren berkinong patai kubor henin kasngi kesanterik unai luar. Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ulakam baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Kalayo ya kejing trelang na ka Sorkar Pdeng. Halor kejing Weng no ya ka Hukum. Jong ka National Green Tribunal. Kabala pensangya no ya kejing ti Dewïong hakani kejala Meghalaya.
There was a lot of communication gap also between the state and the centre. And so things started drifting away in not a very constructive and positive way. Last 6 months we have tried to bring everything on track. Last 6 months we have had, I don't know, maybe 10-12 meetings, whether it's with additional secretary, with secretary, joint secretary, with the minister concerned, with the home department, with the coal ministry, the mining ministry, the environment ministry. All of these ministries are involved in this, by the way. And we have now brought things on track, and now we are trying to discuss and I shouldn't say discuss, we're trying to convince certain areas which are yet to be clarified by both centre and the state, and trying to get things on track so that there is no specific loss in terms of employment or in terms of any kind of assets to our people. That's very important to us. And at the same time we ensure that steps are taken to protect the environment also. It's very important for our government. I can assure you that we are not going to compromise in any way when it comes to the environment and to the safety of the miners. That is something that is priority for us. But at the same time, we cannot allow the mining to be stopped and then so that it takes away the livelihood of the people. So that is where the challenge is, and we're trying to bridge this gap. And I can tell you that it is at a very advanced stage. And we're getting very positive response from Government of India. As I said, the complexity is huge because there are multiple ministries involved, multiple issues involved, and it requires a lot of work to be coordinated between Government of India and state and the different departments of Government of India. And that is where we are, taking time. Because as I said, trying to get Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Coal, the Environment Ministry and the Home Ministry, all the officials and ministers all on board is not an easy task. But we are very focused, and we hope that we'll be able to find a solution to this.